Which state you come from?
How are you?
I'm the chief engineer of this project.
So what is the issue?
The issue is that you never informed us to come.
My name is Monad, the DCC here. This is assistant minister.
Yes.
And you don't want to respect us.
No. It's not that we don't want to respect you, because you never inform us you want to interview. We never received any
Where
news.
can you to ping? Where can't you ping? Where can you to? Hey, where can you to? Who? I want him to know.
Just move.
So first,
Who? Wow.
Utakuwa mpole bwana.
Intimidate us here in our country. Why are you intimidating us?